currents of government hospital and how to change new innovation. 120 crore people out of 140 crore are poor and middle class. A government hospital is like a temple for that people, but there is no facilities, medicines, doctors availability, and many lives are lost there. And many families are facing difficulties due to the non-working of government hospitals. They are only district level health officers, and even today people do not believe that if they go to the government hospitals alive, they will come out alive. If the government officer is not healthy, the government is there to take care of them. And then why the health is not being looked properly in the government hospitals? There is no solution. Yes, there is a solution for it. The government should understand this problem, and we need the collector with MBBS qualification, and we need district level health officers for monitoring, treatment, observation each and every patient, and manage infrastructure needs, and preserve the health service system and save many lives. For more videos, log on to www.skillpundit.com and please subscribe our Skillpundit official. Thanks for watching this video.